The Total Protection Roofing System integrates engineered Owens Corning components that work together to address three primary performance areas critical to a high-performance roof. Total protection is as simple as seal, defend, breathe. Seal helps create a waterproof barrier. Defend helps protect against nature's elements. And breathe for balanced attic ventilation. Hip and ridge shingles are specifically designed to protect the roof's peak against the weather, with strong adhesion to help resist against blow-offs and help shed water away from the roof deck. RIZERidge Hip and Ridge Shingles offer a higher profile, multi-layered dimension and a more uniform ridge line to achieve a polished, more finished look. Designed to complement a wide range of Owens Corning shingle colors, RIZERidge provides a perfect color match and blend. It's engineered with self-sealing True-Bond sealant that provides wind resistance up to 130 miles per hour to help protect the most vulnerable parts of your roof. RIZERidge Hip and Ridge Shingles come with a limited lifetime warranty as part of the Owens Corning Total Protection Roofing System, giving you the assurance that all Owens Corning roofing components are working together to help enhance the performance of the roof. For more information about our RIZERidge Hip and Ridge Shingles or the Total Protection Roofing System, visit owenscorning.com/roofing or call 1-800-GET-PINK.